Alright guys, we have another question follow-up to the one we solved previously in the channel, and this one, we know for the joint and loading of the problem 43, we need to determine the factor of safety when L is 180 millimeters. So in the previous video, which was question 43 from the first chapter of the Beer and Johnston textbook, we have those two wooden members that at the end we need to figure out the length of that distance L, which was consist of the length of these two glued parts plus this gap of 6 millimeter. But in here we have the L, which is 180 millimeter, and if that's the case, we call each of these sides A, so this will be equal to 2A plus 6, and now we can find that the A in here, which will be 180 minus 6, which is 174 divided by 2. So we have 174 divided by 287 millimeter. And the formula that we have was the ultimate shear stress, which was the ultimate force over the area, and the area that we were talking is the area of each of these glued surface, which we have 4 in total. One side is 125 millimeter, and the other side we already found it, 87 millimeter. And each of these glue parts transmits half of this force, which is 16 divided by 2, or 8 kilonewton. So we know our force F is 8 kilonewton, and what we are trying to find in this question is the factor of safety, which is the ultimate force over F. We already have the F, 8 kilonewtons. All we need to do is to find the ultimate force, which is not that hard since we have everything in here. Our Fu is equal to A. For the area of that rectangle, pretty easy, 125 times 87 times 10 to the minus 6. That's going to give us meters squared, and also we have the ultimate shear stress. That was a part of the previous question, which was 2.5 megapascal, or 2.5 times 10 to the 6 Pascal. That's going to give us the F in Newton. These two will be cancelled out. So if we want to find our Fu, we have 125 times 87 times 2.5. So it's going to be 27,187.5 newtons, or 27.1875 kilo. So that's pretty much it. We already found Fu. We just have to put it in our factor of safety formula, which is 27.1875 divided by the force that we have, 8 kilonewton. Again, each of these surfaces, we have the same thing on the other side too, transmits half of this force. So 16 divided by 2, 8 for this one, 8 for the one behind that, and same for the other two. So 8 kilonewton. Keep in mind that we have to have same units for here. Just gonna divide that by 8,000. So the factor of safety would be 3.4. And the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We're covering different textbooks in this channel. Feel free to check out the playlist and let me know if you have any specific problem that you want me to cover in the next videos. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next one.